Hi guys, what's up? This is Patty for Congolese Sister. So I filmed this makeup look for you guys. I hope you will enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe before viewing the video. And thank you so much, guys. See you on the other side. Hey guys, so started off the look. I'm starting with the shade Credit from the Jackie Aina times Anastasia Beverly Hills collab basically. And yeah, I'm putting that everywhere in my crease, so enjoy. I'm carving out my lid, so I'm putting some medium beige concealer from the LA Girl concealer collection, I guess. So yeah, I'm putting that all over my lid, on both eyes. And then to apply on my lid, I use the shade Supreme, again from the Jackie Aina times Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Yeah, I'm applying this on both eyes carefully, always. And then to place on top of the pink eyeshadow that I just applied, I decided to take the shade Sponsored, again from the Jackie Aina times Anastasia palette. I just wanted to try that out, and like, I guess I ended up liking it because this video is getting posted, right? So I guess I loved it. I just went in to blend everything in so there was no harsh line at the end. And I also applied my eyeliner off camera, which is just a drugstore eyeliner that I found in a beauty boutique, in like a hair supply boutique. For the face, I'm priming my face with my Boscia mattifying primer, and I'm putting that everywhere on my face as you see me. And I'm gonna set the primer with my Fenty Universal powder. It's like this mattifying powder that I'm just showing right now. And then after that, I'll go in with my foundation. For my foundation, I mix two, well, it's not two foundation shades. I mix my foundation, which is Dior 50, with my how do you call it? Concealer, which is medium beige from Pro LA Girl. So yeah, I mix those two together and then I blend everything in. And also my I also conceal with my medium beige by Pro Concealer. So yeah, it's a whole package. To set my concealer, I'm using the Huda Beauty Blondie translucent powder. I'm applying that everywhere that I concealed. And then to bring my face back to life, I'm using my Coco Naughty from Fenty Beauty. And I'm applying that in my cheekbone, forehead, jawline, and the neck. Because you need good neck, if you know what I'm saying. I'm I'm setting my face with my Boscia mattifying setting spray, and now I'm using this Stebeat Beauty liner, which is in red, and if I'm not mistaken is the color 12, but just to be sure it will be down below in the description box. And I'm also using the same lipstick, and it's a mattifying lipstick. Also, I think in this video I forgot to apply some highlighter, but if I did, it would be the Amrezy x Anastasia collab. But I'm pretty sure, yeah, I forgot to apply some eyeliner in the video, some highlighter in the video. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. What it do? What it do? Hey guys, this is the finished look. What up? What up? Yeah, I'm here with some new hair, with a new makeup, with a new video. It's new everything today. Don't judge my hair. It's a bit still wet, but you know, we still cute in this beat. Yeah, this wig is made by myself. I do make wigs if ever you need wigs. If ever you want to be slay, snatch, I do make wigs. So yeah, I filmed this makeup look for you guys. I hope you will enjoy it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Thank you so much for all the love and support. We really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe before leaving this day. And most importantly, may God bless you. Thank you so much, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.
So maybe Christmas would be me get again just start for a Christmas tree. A New Year's Eve when them a count down, me a count pound. At the brown brown, but those switching a town on my sound.